Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Further security measures. There really are a wide range of technologies and techniques for securing data through the use of hardware and software. Few of these are relatively new ideas, such as trusted computing, while some are long-standing techniques, like access controls. In this lesson we'll learn about 1. Access controls and methods to restrict users' access. 2. Trusted computing. 3. Precautions to be taken to protect a wireless local area network. Access controls. Access controls and methods to restrict users' access are essential components of a robust cybersecurity strategy. Role-based access control, RBAC, should be implemented, assigning users specific roles and permissions based on their job responsibilities. This ensures that users only have access to the resources necessary to perform their tasks and minimizes the risk of unauthorized access or privilege escalation. Strong password policies, including complex password requirements and regular updates, should be enforced to prevent unauthorized access through compromised credentials. Trusted computing. Trusted computing is a concept that aims to enhance the security and integrity of computing systems and data. It involves the use of hardware-based security mechanisms to establish trust in the computing environment. Trusted computing platforms utilize secure boot processes to ensure that only trusted and verified software components are loaded during system startup, preventing the execution of malicious code. These platforms also employ secure storage modules, such as Trusted Platform Modules, TPMs, to store and protect sensitive information, such as encryption keys, in a tamper-resistant manner. Additionally, trusted computing enables remote attestation, allowing systems to provide evidence of their integrity to remote parties, which is particularly useful in cloud computing environments. WLAN precautions. When it comes to WLAN, wireless local area network, security, taking proper precautions is crucial to prevent unauthorized access and protect sensitive information. Firstly, implementing strong encryption protocols, such as WPA2 or WPA3, ensures that data transmitted over the WLAN is encrypted and secure. It's important to use strong, unique passwords for WLAN access points and regularly change them to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. Disabling the broadcasting of the WLAN network's SSID, Service Set Identifier, can also enhance security by making the network less visible to potential attackers. MAC address filtering and network cloaking. MAC address filtering and network cloaking are techniques used to enhance network security and control access to wireless networks. MAC address filtering involves configuring a wireless access point or router to allow or deny access based on the MAC, Media Access Control, addresses of devices. Each network device has a unique MAC address assigned to its network interface. By enabling MAC address filtering, only devices with approved MAC addresses can connect to the network, effectively restricting unauthorized devices from accessing the network. This adds an extra layer of security by filtering out devices that are not explicitly allowed. Wireless encryption. Wireless encryption protects our network by ensuring data being transmitted wirelessly is scrambled and so unauthorized devices cannot access it. The two main types of wireless encryption are WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy. WEP is an older wireless encryption protocol used to secure Wi-Fi networks. It was introduced as the initial security standard for wireless networks but has been largely deprecated due to significant security vulnerabilities. WEP uses a shared key to encrypt data transmitted over the network using a weak encryption algorithm. WPA2, Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, WPA2, is a widely used wireless encryption protocol that provides stronger security compared to its predecessor, WEP. It employs stronger encryption algorithms, such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, to protect wireless communications. WPA2 uses a pre-shared key, PSK, or enterprise authentication methods to establish a secure connection between devices and the Wi-Fi network. There are many more threats to it, but most can be mitigated through some simple procedures, such as use WPA2 encryption rather than WEP or WPA. Set a complex wireless password. Turn off the WP. Consideration of issues during network and system design. During network and system design, key considerations include scalability to accommodate future growth, performance optimization for efficient data transmission, reliability through redundancy and fault tolerance, security measures to protect against unauthorized access and data breaches, and compatibility with existing infrastructure and technologies.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.